Hi, Cheryl here from ENJO. Just thought I would come on and do a quick video to show you how you can clean your ENJO Makeover Mat. So I'm just gonna wet the mat with my water, and I'm going to take my Living Strong fibre and I'm just going to wet the mat and the glove, and just light circular motions as always. The fibre is just going to pick up all that muck with ease. So you see here, the fibre will just lift all that, so the fibre will just do all the work for you. Just remove all that muck from the shoes and everything, bringing it up a treat. And if you've completed your makeover, you will have this glove, but you could also use an outdoor fibre as well. And when you switch your home to an ENJO Pure Home, you will receive one of these doormats as recognition for having your happy and healthy ENJO home. And it's something to be very proud of, because you will be completely reaping the rewards with ENJO. You know, you're doing the best for your family, you're saving money, you're saving lots of time, and you're doing your bit for the planet as well. So it's quite special, if I do say so. Thank you for watching.